Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a screen flickering issue on your iPhone or iPad after or before iOS update and there is not a hardware issue, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on accessibility and tap display and text size. Now scroll and disable auto brightness. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then go back to settings, general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Next, settings, general, iPhone storage, and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then make some space by deleting some media, applications and videos, unnecessary media and unnecessary application from your iPhone. Then go back to general, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. In the end, what we have to do, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model to fix this issue. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.